Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back. My name is Casey if you are new here, and today I'm going to be using the new Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. Are you guys ready? It's so pretty. I'm basically just gonna jump right.
So I already did one eye off of camera and we are going to do the other eye together. So I'm going to take the Matte Soothe shade, and this is such a beautiful transition shade for fair skin. So I'm just popping that in my crease with a crease brush, and I added a few layers of this shade, and I also took it to my bottom lash line. And yeah, just basically blend it all out. I'm going to go in with the Sequin Ritual shade, which is a beautiful medium brown, and I'm going to pop that above the crease, creating this half-like circle shape. And then just blend, blend, blend. I always say blend and then blend some more. And then when you think you're done blending, blend a little more. And next I'm going to take the Matte Ritual shade, and this is such a gorgeous deep rich brown. I love it so much, and I'm basically just packing that all over my lid. And while I'm doing this, I'll just kind of chat about the formula of the shadows that I have used, because I haven't used every single shade in the palette, but the shades that I have used are fucking, what, excuse my language, can I curse on YouTube? I don't know. They're so good. Like, they blend out like a dream, and I'm just super impressed. So next I took a clean crease brush and I lightly went over everything to just blend everything out. And then I took that Matte Ritual shade again to my lower lash line, and I just smudged it right on top of my lash line, and then I kind of just kept blending. I didn't want it too blown out, so, excuse me, kept it nice and tight. Alright, next I took the Matte Memory shade and a eyeliner brush, and I'm basically just lining my eye. I'm actually going to create a wing. Sometimes I don't wing it out, sometimes I do. It just depends on my mood, and I just love the effect of a dark brown shade on the lid, and then using a black eyeshadow for liner. It just gives this really pretty smoked out effect. And then I'm also going to create more definition around the inner eye, and just like so. And next I'm going to apply some mascara. This is my current favorite mascara. This is the Nars Climax mascara, and it is so good. I actually got this one from one of their holiday sets, which I think is still available. This is like a mini one. So yeah, I did a couple coats of mascara, top and bottom lashes, and we're actually almost done. This video is gonna end super abruptly because my camera died, but I didn't want this look to go to waste. So the last step is I took the Sequin and Matte Aurora and I popped that right onto my brow bone, and you can kind of get an idea of the finished look here. It's just really soft, a go-to eyeshadow look of mine when I want to feel a little extra sexy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and stay tuned for more looks using the Volume 1 Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette. Peace.